Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play MLB The Show on mobile. First, you'll need to access the game through a cloud streaming or remote play service, as there isn't a standalone mobile application for direct gameplay. Make sure your internet connection is strong and stable, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to minimize lag. Finally, connect a compatible Bluetooth controller to your mobile device for the best experience. Once connected, it's time to dive into the game. Familiarize yourself with the controller layout, especially for batting and pitching, as precision is key. Practice your timing for swings and pitches. A well-timed input can significantly impact your success. Don't hesitate to use the in-game tutorials to quickly grasp the fundamental mechanics and improve your overall performance. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, optimize your mobile device. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up processing power and memory. You might also adjust the in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for a more consistent frame rate. For comfort during longer sessions, consider using a mobile gaming clip that securely attaches your phone to your controller. MLB The Show offers a variety of engaging game modes. Experiment with options like Diamond Dynasty to build your ultimate team, or dive into franchise mode for a long-term management experience. Understanding player attributes and team strategies will give you a significant edge in competitive play. Finally, connect with the game's community online for extra tips and to share your experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.